Hi there, I am Ismail from Parliament, and today we'll be talking about how local businesses accidentally destroy their own SEO with trust issues. I think one of the biggest SEO misconceptions is this idea that ranking is the finish line. A lot of businesses rank, a lot of businesses get traffic, but they still don't get calls, they still don't get booked, they don't get leads. And usually the problem is not technical SEO, it's trust. Because users are constantly asking themselves, does this business look real? Can I trust these people? Will I regret contacting them? And small trust issues destroy conversion rates. SEO people sometimes think the job ends when someone lands on the website, but the user journey is much bigger than that. People start investigating. They check your IG, they check your reviews, your photos, your business name, your WhatsApp, your address, and every small inconsistency creates doubt. One thing people underestimate is how quickly humans judge visual quality. If your branding looks fake, outdated, or inconsistent, users subconsciously assume low quality service, scams, unprofessionalism, poor communication, even if the business itself is good. And the painful part is business owners often blame SEO when the real problem is perception. Now, obviously, WhatsApp is huge, especially for local businesses. But when WhatsApp is your only serious communication channel, it can sometimes create lessened trust, especially for expensive services. People expect email addresses, proper websites, booking systems, business numbers, professional communication. The more money involved, the more reassurance users need. Photography might be one of the most underrated SEO conversion factors. Think about hotels, restaurants, gyms, salons. If the photos look dark, blurry, empty, over-edited, and also low effort, people immediately become suspicious. Even if the place itself is excellent, users trust what they can visually verify. I know it's vain, but it's the way of the world. This is a massive issue with local businesses. The Instagram says one thing, Google Business Profile says another. Facebook has an old phone number. The website has a different logo. To business owners, this feels minor. To users, it feels risky. Consistency creates legitimacy. Inconsistency creates doubt. A lot of businesses think fake reviews help. Sometimes they do. But most times, they actually don't. Humans are actually pretty good at detecting unnatural reviews. If every review sounds like excellent service, highly recommended, it starts feeling robotic. Ironically, a few imperfect, detailed human reviews often create more trust than 200 suspiciously perfect ones. One of the strongest trust builders online is proof of existence. People want to see your office, your staff, your process, your computers, your environment, especially in industries with scams or low trust. The more reality people can verify, the safer they feel. And now, this is where SEO comes back into the picture. If users don't trust you, they leave faster, they convert less, they keep searching, they compare competitors. Google watches user satisfaction patterns. So, trust indirectly affects SEO performance over time. I think this is something local businesses need to understand. You can rank number one and still lose because SEO gets visibility, but trust gets action. And honestly, many businesses don't have a traffic problem. They have a credibility problem. If you found this content useful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.